Hey guys, welcome to Fast AI. I'm going to go over the new pool system for Fast AI. So this is the example map you have here, right? So right here, map pooling system. If I go ahead, you'll see AI is being spawned and getting, actually not being spawned, but they're appearing and disappearing, right? And you will see no hiccups. If I do stat detailed, and you shouldn't see any hiccups. Alright, so let's go over. So it has its own game mode. It's very simple. What I'm doing is this is the variables that you want to use. Pretty much you can have as many character classes as you want. If you want them to be unique, then you want to set ID. For example, this one is NAB. I can create another one with a different ID like LI, so on and so on, right? You can also have enemy can have multiple character classes as well if you spawn them. So the way you spawn is pretty much here. So you take this, so you get the FAI pool subsystem, right? You get it, and then you set this variable, right? Set pools, right? And then you have this, right? Then you want to set the spawn locations. For example, by default, I'm spawning about 20, right? The begin player is going to spawn 20 of these character classes, and their location will be 20,000 in the z-axis all the way up, and they will be hidden. And then you want to initialize the pool. That's pretty much it. So you need to have this. So this is step one. So this is how you initialize it. A dedicated NPC spawner, which is called BP pool NPC spawner, which is dedicated only for pool system NPC. Currently it's written in Blueprint, but in the future I'll move it to C++. So it's pretty much looks similar to the other spawner. For example, if I had another one which is like LI, right? So in that case I will duplicate this one, and I will change the ID to LI. So that's how it works. So if I click on this, all of them are going to spawn enemy. So if I do pool, in the detail, if I go to pool and see the variable is there, for all of them they are the same. All right, next, so let's check out the AI character that I'm spawning. So this is Fast AI, and if I go to destroy or death, right, you want to have this unchecked. So after you kill your AI NPC, you don't want your AI NPC to die, right? Because it's going to go back to the pool system. If I do this, simulate, you're not going to see anything spawning, right? But you're going to see all these controller being spawned, 20 of them, right? There you go. So it's all the way up over there. You're not going to see them because the visibility is toggled. You can use the optimizer to disable all the feature when they're way distant. So the visibility is toggled, and when they're nearby, everything works. So and let's check out the frames right now. Right now I'm doing 20, right? But I'm not showing all 20 of them, and I'm doing 110 average. And let's see, if I do 50, if I do simulate, it's gonna spawn 50 of this, and it's gonna keep it hidden. Alright, so I have 50 spawned, but I'm not showing all of them because I'm showing them and removing them at the same time, right? So you can do despawn. If this is true, then it's going to despawn. Right now, if I play, I'm only going to show them, and if I keep running around, it's going to keep showing all of them. If there are 50 or more of them, it's going to do only 50 right now.